Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to install a TurboSmart Dual Port VR2 blow valve on the Fiesta ST. So you will need a 5mm hex to unscrew the bolts on the stock diverter valve and rescrew in. Just going to jack the car up now. Just enough to be able to have enough room all under the car to see what I'm doing. That should be enough. Alright, we're all jacked up. Make sure to use jack stands as an extra safety measure because you do not want the car falling on you. So we're under the car now and we need to remove this boost pipe. This one right here because it's the turbo. And then the diverter valve is just there. You can see the tip of it there. So we'll just remove this boost pipe here and then we'll get to it. Alright, boost pipe is off. You should see it right there. It's this. This is the connector. This is the diverter valve. I just need to get one bolt there, two bolt there, and then there's one kind of just down behind here, like down in there somewhere. Yeah, that's kind of, let's just try that. Should be just in there somewhere. So yeah, we'll get it out. Alright, got the stock one out. Just had these 3 bolts. And then I used this just to get in the annoying bits. Alright, putting this one in. There's a little flange, a flat side on one of the sides. So you can see on this side, right there, it's like a flat side. And that flat side needs to be facing the compressor housing. So it basically means that it would go in like that. So it's got the wire and it's lined up with the bolts. Now you just need to bolt it in and plug the wire in, and then it's all good.
Sorry, I just have to do a voiceover real quick because there was music in the background. But as you can see, I got the blow-off valve installed. I got all the bolts in. There's the bottom one, that little silver one to the left. That was tricky. But I just used a little screwdriver and plugged in the wire, and then you can zip tie it to that other wire next to it to secure it more. But yeah, overall it wasn't too bad to install at all. It was fairly simple. You just have to sort of get in there in the right way. Especially the back one was tricky, getting your hands in the right place, and we even took off the wheel at one point just to see if it was easier. I think it slightly was easier, but you don't need to take off the wheel to be able to do it. So now we'll get some blow-off noises before and after. Here we go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was just a quick one today, but just informational nonetheless. So if you enjoyed the video, then be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you later.